under arrest.
No, I'm
you are
not.
Under arrest.
No, I'm
You're
not.
being told you are under arrest.
No.
Let's go.
Somebody from United States, please. Can y'all help me? Because this is not right.
The 26th of January, 2025, Walmart, DuPage County, Illinois. A trespassed individual returned to the property. Officers of the Naperville Police Department responded. Charges filed: criminal trespass and resisting a peace officer.
How we doing?
Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm good, and you? I'm gonna call 911.
I'm right here.
No, I'm calling 911.
For what?
Because how you doing, honey?
How are you?
I'm good, and you? Happy Sunday.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
No, I'm calling 911 because I don't want somebody might hurt me. Because I'm here shopping and I could buy all my stuff in cash, but I'm calling out. I'm gonna call because I don't want. I want to make sure I'm safe because I don't know who you are. I don't know. I'm shopping.
Where is your emergency?
Good morning. Hi, I'm at Walmart and there's a guy that's here that's supposedly
That is mine.
so I don't know. He's saying he's a Naperville police officer, but I'm not sure, and I'm worried because I'm just a woman and I bought my groceries in.
Okay, is this Yolanda?
This is her, but
Does the officer have a uniform on and a vest that says police on it?
yeah, it does. But the thing is I'm not sure if he's an American citizen though.
Yeah, I'm standing in front of her. You can tell her my name so she can hang up.
Okay, that's Officer Buckley. I'm going to disconnect with that.
Okay, let me call my. Hold on, let me call my. No,
Listen,
let me call my.
we're not going to do this.
Well, no, I'm about to call my Facebook because, see, I'm not sure. It's two people came.
You can do whatever you like on that.
Okay, because I'm like, two people came up to me before. And the thing is hold on, let me do my Facebook thing. And I'm just going to.
You can do whatever you like. Listen, you were trespassed from here?
No, I'm not a trespasser. No,
listen.
hold on, before you say that, because that's not true.
Well,
That's
it
not
is
true.
true. We have confirmed that you have been trespassed from here,
I'm not
whether you remember or not.
trespassed.
So there's going to be two ways that this goes down. Walmart management trespassed you, okay? It is confirmed in our system and through their system that you've been
the
trespassed.
systems are down.
That's
Good morning,
okay.
everybody. Good morning. I want y'all to be on Facebook with us. This is Mr.
Yeah, this isn't going to go the easy way, Frank, and she's not cooperating. You might as well come this way.
I want to make sure y'all get on here and see this. I came up here to go shopping this morning. I got all my groceries. I bought.
Yeah, it's at 4. You're going to have to come in here.
I bought all my stuff.
If you refused last time, was issued a ticket.
No, I bought all my stuff, like with my money.
It's at 4.
And they're
Let's
saying
come in
that
here and
I'm
figure this out for now.
trespassing.
And then
But I
we'll
just wanted to make
try
sure
that route
you
again.
guys on here. This is he says his name is Officer Buckley, but I'm just making sure that we get on here. I'm tired. It's Sunday. I want to go home. I don't want to mess and bother with y'all, but I just wanted to make sure that I logged in and told y'all. But I'm tired, so I'm just leaving it on here. I'm not gonna. I just want to. I log in with my Facebook.
That's fine.
I'm tired.
Okay. Well, listen.
I'm not a trespasser though.
Okay. Well, you've been issued a citation before.
I haven't been.
You're going to be issued another citation,
Okay.
and if you do not leave, you will be placed under arrest, and you will go to DuPage County Jail.
But I don't see. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
After you get 2 citations, then you go to DuPage County Jail. Okay. Is that what we're gonna? Which way do you want to go? Would you like another citation?
No. This is what I'm.
And to leave peacefully, or would you like to get a citation, not leave, and then go to DuPage County Jail?
What's the citation for, honey?
The citation for is for trespassing to Walmart, which you've already been issued one prior.
Do you know the Naperville Police Department?
Yes,
they're defunded. There's no money going there.
That's fine. It's still my job, and I need to take care of that. Okay.
The thing is if y'all not being paid to do the job, then you're not.
I am being paid to do the job, and that's what I'm here for. And right now, I'm helping and serving Walmart as.
You have to verify that you're being paid to work for Naperville Police Department. You have to verify that you have a visa to live in the United States. You have to have.
Where are we going about this? This has nothing to do with the situation that we're dealing with right now.
Yes, it is. You have to have a birth certificate, and you have to have a Social Security card. You can't just come at me as a United States citizen and say, "Hey, I'm a police. You got to get out of here." We don't. Our
No, you
police
were told to get out of here several times
our
prior.
Police departments don't
This isn't
have
how it's
money.
going to go. How do you?
This
How
is
would you
it.
like this to go? Would you like this to go with a
Hi,
citation?
how you doing, Mr. Franken? I like your eyes. You're
Thank
a
you.
nice looking guy.
Gotcha. You do
This is
have-
the thing. No. This is my thing. I'm just letting my Facebook and everybody know.
All right.
This
This is.
wait. This is
You're
my
going to
phone.
stop.
Comply or you will be arrested.
No.
You
You're
are
going to let it go.
You are.
Hey,
let go.
no. See,
you
y'all
will be
pictures-
arrested.
No. This is my stuff that
You
I
will be-
bought.
no.
We're gonna talk about this because
No.
this is
No,
my.
no, we're not.
You're going to talk about it in the jail.
This is my. No, hey,
You're going to
this
talk
is
about
my
it in
food.
jail.
No.
You are.
Right, you are going to be going to jail.
Food. I bought. Can
Well,
somebody help me?
let's go.
Somebody from United States, please.
Yep,
Can
yep.
y'all help me? Because this is not right. Hey,
go.
no.
Keep going.
Because our police
You are going
departments
to
are
jail or you will
defunded.
you are going to jail.
The police departments
Let's go.
don't. Okay, I'm not going to yell
You
because I
are,
know that
you are
probably
going.
hurts your ears.
You are going.
Hey, no.
This is
These
not a
are-
request.
No. These are my groceries,
That's-
and I'm
let's go.
going with them.
Yeah.
Like,
All right. Oh.
All right.
no. If you
All right.
touching me
Hold up.
as
You are under arrest.
No, I'm
You are
not.
under arrest.
No, I'm
You're
not.
being told you are under arrest.
No, I'm not. These are my no.
You are
these
being told you are
my
under arrest.
Going to be
groceries.
charged with.
No, I'm
You are
not.
being told you are under arrest.
Somebody get my
Give you-
groceries,
You are being
please.
told- stop.
I bought
Drop
with
this
cash,
now.
Larissa, and
I've
you
got
know
this one.
did.
I know. I still got it.
I bought this with cash, and it's my money and my
You are under
stuff.
arrest. Stop
No,
resisting.
I'm not.
You are resisting.
You guys,
Stop.
The Naperville Police
You are
Department
resisting.
is
Stop.
defunded. These are not real police. No, you're not. I bought my own stuff.
All right. Be careful. Those aren't too tight.
I know. I will. I just don't want it.
Understood. No, I get it. And I have her.
Good here?
This is
We're
my
good here.
stuff that I bought with my
go and double lock
cash
'em.
and my money.
I got her.
Okay.
Hey, it don't listen. That's and whoever's at the Naperville Police Department, it doesn't matter. This is my stuff. I bought
Well,
this with
we will discuss that when we get to the jail, and I will speak with Walmart as well. You got that out?
My stuff, I do not
Don't engage her,
steal
just-
out of Walmart. No, I
Okay.
don't. What are you doing? You guys are y'all
right,
not
let's go.
authorized to do it,
That's
and
right.
you're not going to get away
Come
with
on.
it.
You're under arrest.
No,
Let's go.
I'm not. No, I'm not. You're not.
promise you you are.
First off, you can't arrest people for buying groceries. I bought all of my groceries, every single last one of them. I bought every single one of my groceries. Can somebody listen? Call my mom for me. Call somebody for me.
Your feet
because-
up.
Hey, that's all my stuff. Y'all can't just sit there and do that to a lady. No.
This way.
You were given
Hey.
a chance. It's over.
This way.
Okay. Those are all my groceries that I bought.
And we'll
in
get it,
cash.
and we will find out. And if those are, I'll take care of them
I
for
got
you.
the receipts right in my bag.
4 Adam status check.
You know what? The thing
Female-
is I'm
female
here
95.
to help. I'm actually one of the people who's here to help everybody from their countries. I know that people in their countries are not getting food, but they need to tell Putin that he needs to stop bombing places, and then people from other countries will get their food. We know that people need help. I'm one of them, and then you guys are taking the help away from here. I live across the street. I'm a United States citizen. I have a birth certificate. I have a social security card. I have everything I'm supposed to have. And I'm one of the people who's helping you
Go for it.
guys.
Go for it.
I'm helping people from other countries. I'm the person to help you guys. If y'all just keep letting everybody steal everything out the store, it's not going to be nothing for anybody. And let me tell you guys something. They defunded the police departments because they didn't want any more non-pigmented people with non-pigmented eyes working because they know you guys have trouble seeing and hearing. So I apologize if I'm yelling in your ear, but you know what I'm saying? I know exactly what's going on. This is not
All right.
right. And listen, they're going
Have a seat,
to
please.
charge y'all countries for all this money.
Have a seat, please.
Go ahead, look at it. I purchased all my stuff. All of my stuff.
Nobody's arguing that. All right. I will take this if you want to just.
Statute 720 ILCS 52(1-3) criminal trespass to real property. Elements: the subject knowingly entered property after receiving prior notice of forbidden entry. Lesson: prior notice documented in the property owner system is legally sufficient. The subject's failure to recall the notice does not void its legal effect. People versus Ruse. 118 ill. 2D4001987. Statute 720 ILCS 531-1, resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Elements: knowingly resisting a known act of a peace officer, Class A misdemeanor. Repeated verbal arrest warnings satisfy the knowledge element. Physical resistance at the point of handcuffing satisfies the resistance element. Case law: Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, accounting for totality of circumstances, not with the benefit of hindsight. Soft, empty hand control with no strikes and no weapons falls within authorized force. Statutory basis: 720 ILCS 57-5. Case law: Arrington versus City of Chicago, 7th Circuit, 2020. Physical resistance to an arrest, even one later found unlawful, creates independent criminal liability under 720 ILCS 531-1. Lesson: the correct remedy for an unlawful arrest is compliance at the scene, followed by legal challenge through the courts. Constitutional law: First Amendment. ACLU of Illinois versus Alvarez, 679 F. 3D 583 7th Circuit, 2012. Recording police in public and quasi-public spaces is constitutionally protected. This right exists independent of the officer's consent and cannot be grounds for arrest. Constitutional law: First Amendment continued. City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Verbal challenges to police authority are protected speech. However, this protection ends at the point of physical obstruction. Speech is protected. Physical resistance is a criminal act. Legal distinction: criminal trespass versus retail theft. 720 ILCS 52-1-3 and 720 ILCS 516-25 are independent offenses with separate elements. Proof of purchase is not a defense to a valid trespass notice. These two charges do not merge and must be analyzed separately. Civil liability: 42 U.S. C. Section 1983. A civil rights claim requires proof that a state actor under color of law deprived the subject of a constitutionally protected right. Where a confirmed trespass notice and statutory arrest authority exist, establishing the deprivation element is a significant legal burden. Key lessons: 1. A documented trespass notice binds the subject regardless of personal recollection. 2. Physical resistance during arrest creates a separate charge regardless of arrest legality. 3. Recording police is a protected right. Exercising it does not change enforcement authority. 4. Compliance at the scene preserves legal options. Resistance forfeits them.